How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about forearm workout for grip strength. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys a good forearm workout that you can do for grip strength. I know grip strength is really important. You want grip strength for deadlifting, for shaking somebody's hand, for just picking stuff up. For any guy, just having grip strength is very manly, it's masculine, and it's badass you guys have good grip strength. And me, I do train my grip strength. You guys can see my forearms. They are extremely developed. I do deadlift a ton of weight. I don't even need chalk at times, just simply because my grip strength is so developed, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys a workout that I personally do, and I love this. So the first exercise that I'm going to show you is going to be dumbbell hammer curls. Now, most people, when they train their biceps, they do bicep curls. Here's the thing. All you have to do is switch your grip from supinated, from doing a dumbbell bicep curl, to neutral. By putting it neutral, you then put a lot of the emphasis on the forearm muscles, you guys. So all the muscles in here, all your forearms, when you do the curl now with a neutral grip, you are actually developing your forearm muscles. And trust me on this. This exercise, not a lot of people do. I love this exercise. A lot of strong men do this exercise. It's badass. It's going to get you big forearms. But here's the thing. With big forearms comes grip strength, you guys. Trust me. You're going to get crazy grip strength. What kind of repetitions to do? Typically vary your rep range. Start off with a lighter weight doing 20 reps, and then over time just keep adding 5 pounds. What will happen is as you add more weight, your reps will slowly go down until you get to about 5 reps or so. After you get to 5 reps, you're going to be lifting a ton of weight. Once you can't do any more with 5 reps, go back to 20 reps, and chances are when you go back to 20 reps, you're going to be able to do more with 20 reps than what you did before. So it's a great way to do it, guys. I highly recommend training like this. Trust me on this. It will work for you guys. So again, do that. It will work. Again, forearm workout. The next exercise that I recommend doing is dumbbell flexor curls. So to do a flexor curl, all you're going to do is you're going to keep your wrist in front of you like so, and all you're going to do is you're going to curl upwards. So you're going to keep your arm to the side of your body. You can hold it with this hand. All you're going to do is hold it, and all you're going to do is use your wrist to curl upwards. That's it. So again, it's all your wrist, but here's the thing. When you're doing this, the flexor curls, you're putting all the pressure on the forearm muscle, your flexor muscle, you guys, and this is what develops good grip strength. So again, keep it at a 90-degree angle. You can hold it with the opposite arm, and then all you're going to do, you guys, is you're going to move your wrist and just simply curl it like so. As simple as that, and that's all you guys have to do, and you will see crazy results. Trust me on this, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.